Welcome back. Today going to study common vegetable names. Potato. This is a potato. Onion. This is a onion. Tomato. This is a tomato. Garlic. This is a garlic. Ginger. This is a ginger. Spinach. This is a Spinach. Coriander leaves. This is a coriander leaves. Mint leaves. This is a mint leaves. Green chili pepper. This is a green chili pepper. Carrot. This is a carrot. Radish. This is a radish. Ladyfinger. This is a ladyfinger. Brinjal. This is a brinjal. Cauliflower. This is a cauliflower. Cabbage. This is a cabbage. Turnip. This is a turnip. Green peas. This is a green peas. Spring onion. This is a spring onion. Leek. This is a leek. Cluster beans. This is a cluster beans. Arvi. This is a arvi. Bye bye. Like, share and subscribe.